Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your start menu or Windows Explorer which is not corresponding or working in your Windows. So let's get started. Okay, since you won't be able to run your start menu, then look at your keyboard and press Ctrl Alt and Delete together to run your task manager. So once you open your task manager, just expand it by clicking this bar icon here and go for the left side. You can see a lot of options. Here you need to go for processes. Okay, so the moment you open your processes, you need to locate or find the Windows Explorer. Okay, let's just find it by simply scrolling down. And okay, I can see here Windows Explorer next to System Interrupts. Now here's the catch. You need to restart your Windows Explorer. How? Just do a right click here and go for restart. So mostly in some cases, Windows Explorer will be fixed or will start working again once they restart it. Okay? But let's say if it doesn't work for you, then let's move on to the second step, which is to go for the upper right side of your screen and click this Run New Task. Okay, the moment you click on it, this small window will appear. Okay, here you need to input CMD and mark this check, create this task with administrative privileges, then click OK. In this new window, you need to input the command which is SFC, sorry, space /scan now. Make sure that all of this command are in lowercase, then click enter and it will say here beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Okay, so this will take some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. So you just have to leave this process open. Make sure that you don't turn off your computer, and once done, just simply close this and restart your computer. So mostly the second step will fix your issue, but let's say again if it doesn't, then click this run new task again. Okay, now in this window, in this time, we need to type for PowerShell. Then mark this check and then click on OK. Okay, so in this PowerShell window, you need to input a command. I'll be mentioning a command in my description box below. So this command is this. You just have to copy this, take a note of that, and then paste it here. Okay, you need to make sure that you have inputted a correct command, okay? So the moment you click on enter, your system will start to reset the start menu and the Windows Explorer in your computer, okay? I want to assure you that this will not reset the data, the programs, files in your computer. It will only reset the start menu in the Windows Explorer itself, okay? So this will take some time again. You just have to wait until the process is done and then simply close this window and restart your computer. So mostly once you go to the PowerShell and input that command, your issue will be fixed. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the last step, which is to click on run new task. And this time you need to do a system reset. How? Just type system reset here and then mark this checked again, then click OK. So the moment you click on that, you will be able to see the options here. And if you want to keep your files, then go to this first option. And if you want to remove all your personal files, applications, and settings, then go for the second one. But I must recommend to go for this first one. Just simply click on that and wait until things are ready for you. Okay? So once done, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on privacy and security. There will be the show symbol. And under Windows Information, scroll down and you will find searching windows. Search indexing full past the results. Find my files, folders, excluding top search. Then simply scroll down and you will find the indexer troubleshooter. Now click on this. So this will running day search and indexing troubleshooter. This will help you spot and detect the problem that you're Okay, so once done, just simply click on next to reset your system. Okay, so once done, once you need to restart your computer and your Windows Explorer and your start menu will be working or corresponding again. Okay, 100% sure. Okay, so those are the basic steps on how to fix your issue, start menu, or Windows Explorer networking. If this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.